Whether you are a tax accountant or a business owner, you can set up percentages of revenue on each chart of accounts inside your JuanTax organization. From your dashboard, go to the Organization settings and click Chart of Accounts. Once on this page, click Percentage of Revenue. You would see a table of accounts and fields where to place the percentage of revenue. Type it in and let JuanTax do the rest for you. These percentages will now serve as your projected percentage value in comparison to your actual revenue. Since everything is set, let us compare these values. Inside your organization's income statement, select the proper date range, status, and how far throughout the year you want to compare. After setting the correct filter, tick the percentage of revenue box above the report. Based on the date range you've set, you would see both projected revenue percentages as well as the actual revenue percentages based on the transactions added inside your JuanTax organization. Finally, compare the two columns by looking at the differences here. There you go. Let JuanTax put in place the features you need, work out the numbers you should keep an eye on, and help you get closer to tax compliance. JuanTax. Tax done right.